WeatherXM is a community-powered weather network that rewards weather station owners and provides accurate weather services to Web3 enterprises. Some of the most loved things in crypto are airdrops and passive income projects, and in 2023 there are really interesting projects that may make some good money. I am also involved in some of them. That's why I decided to share with you experiences and thoughts and predictions. But since we are talking about the crypto universe, where everything is possible in a good or bad sense, nothing in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Before you decide where to invest your time or money, you will have to do your own research. In description, I leave you a link to one of my videos where I explain how to do it in simplest way. First things first. At the beginning, I present some general things about the project. It is good to know what you are investing in. Then I present my idea about tokenomics, where I justify the cover. I am not sponsored by WeatherXM for this video or by anyone else, and its purpose is to present the project for educational purposes. If the video is appreciated, others will follow, with interesting projects where we have invested. But for that, you will have to stay up to date with what is published by pressing the subscribe button, like, and the bell. A win-win situation where you help the channel to grow and you will see projects that are worth investing. WeatherXM is still in beta, and the beginning stations will be few, tokens will be many, so early adopters will accumulate many tokens fast, so the best time to invest is now without a doubt. Their intention is to deliver value to station owners in addition to the token by creating a custom, hyperlocal, more accurate weather forecast for the exact station location using model output statistics and machine learning. An important thing for the price is the burn function. They have weather data credit that can only be purchased on their store. This is how they will sell weather data and services to other enterprises. That's essentially company revenue, and they have connected this revenue with the token price, using the burn-in-mint equilibrium, so the more weather data they sell, the more tokens will burn, so the token price increases since less tokens circulate, thus we are passing on the value to the community. In the title you saw an attractive amount for the airdrop, my opinion justified if you study tokenomics, and I expect even better than that, because 1. Huge utility of the token, 2. There it is a burn function, 3. Maximum supply of only 100 million reached by 10 years. 4. Gradual distribution of the airdrop and the company pool tokens. Now let's go into detail. WXM is an ERC20 token with a fixed maximum supply of 100 million tokens allocated like Phalos. 55 million tokens will be used for station owner rewards. 3 million of this amount will be used to reward beta users, airdrop. 30 million will be used to reward the company investors for their contribution and work. 10 millions will be reserved for ecosystem development and the formation of the DAO. 5 million will be used to bootstrap and support WXM liquidity. Not all tokens will be issued on token launch, and that is very good news. Practically at launch it will be 15 million tokens. Those are the sum of 10 millions that will be used to support and fund the ecosystem development and the DAO formation, and 5 million provide for market liquidity. For me, this means that at the launch there will be few tokens in circulation, which determine a higher price. My opinion is that at launch the target is somewhere around $10, and in the longer term, if bears go hibernate and market goes up, it could do 5x or more. Another thing that helps my theory is the utility of that token and the burn function. Let's not forget that it is not a memecoin project, but a product of a real live need, precision on weather detection. It gives me great pleasure to see crypto projects that compete with the centralized ones for areas of daily necessity. Now let's see how the 3 million tokens from the airdrop pool will be allocated. Beta rewards will be allocated according to the number of days the station has provided valid data to the network during the testnet period. The number of days contributed by each station during the testnet period will be calculated using the latest reward mechanism implemented at the time of the token launch and applied retrospectively to the data the station provided during the testnet period. Beta rewards will be distributed to beneficiaries gradually on top of the rewards they would normally receive for operating their station until testnet rewards allocated to them are distributed. For example, a station that provided data for 100 days before the token launch will receive their airdrop rewards throughout the first 100 days after the token launch. This provides an additional incentive for early network adopters to remain in the network, maximizing their station data value due to seniority and providing additional incentive to actively participate in future network governance. This is another bullish point because I do not see who could dump the price if there is no pre-sale or something else. Let's make it simple. At launch we have 15 million tokens. If reach 150 million market cap first months, means that the token value will be $10. Bullish point is that there was no pre-sale, no whale that could dampen the price, and 150 million market cap for a crypto project is a small market cap, especially for a project like this. So, $10 for token means $30 million for airdrop, which is nothing to exaggerate comparing with other projects, but given the fact that we only have 2,700 stations at the moment, dividing 30 million by 2,700 we obtain $11,111. The launch of the token is scheduled for Q4 this year, so there is still beta time and it is not too late to participate, but it is best to do it as soon as possible because the airdrop also takes into account the age during the beta period. My station has been active for about 3 months. If you have reached this video so far, you will find in the description a link to the website, as well as the docs address where you can find the white paper. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and if you want to see next projects, ring the bell.